Hi, so we'll discuss lines and angles. So this is the first part of geometry, long list of topics. This is the basic one that you should know before starting any concept. Now, before starting lines, you guys must know what is the difference between line segment, ray, and a line. What is line segment? Line segment is a fixed line between 2 points. Okay, line segment is finite length. Now, what is ray? Ray has a starting point, but there is no ending point, right? Something like sun rays. They originate from sun and they keep on going. There's traveling, right? There is no destination. Now, line on the other end, it is infinite. There is neither a starting point nor an ending point, right? So this is how the difference between line, segment, ray, and line should be clear. Now we'll see the basic angles that we will be encountering in this chapter, geometry as a whole. Now this is zero angle, right? Why it is zero? This is some angle. But if this comes over here, if it lapses with the initial, so there is zero angle. Acute angle. What is acute angle? If this is theta is an angle, acute angle means theta is less than 90. Now, what is equal to 90? We all know this sign clearly. Right angle. This is equal to 90. What is obtuse? If the angle is greater than 90 degrees. Acute, right angle, obtuse angle. Straight line angle or the straight angle is when the angle is 180 degrees. Now, reflex angle, it's not used a lot. You can still remember if the angle is greater than 180 but less than 360. What is 360? Complete angle, right? This is, so theta is either 0 degrees or 360 degrees. It doesn't matter. Both meet at the same point. Right? Complete angle is called the 360 angle. For example, in a circle, right? What is the angle? This complete angle is 360. We know this, or 2 pi. 360 degrees or 2 pi radians. So these definitions have to be clear. Make sure you write all of this. Lot of definitions will be there in geometry, and the questions of geometry are asked directly, right? That means without knowing the formula, it's tough to get to the answer. Okay, the first concept is called vertically opposite angles. Let's say if there are two lines, L1 and L2, are intersecting, this angle between them and this angle, they are called vertically opposite angle. So this is angle A, angle B, angle C. So this is how we represent angle. Most of you would be knowing this. Angle D. Vertically opposite angle means angle A is same as angle C. Okay. This happens only when two lines are intersecting, right? Straight lines. And angle B is equal to angle D. For every one intersection, you get two vertically opposite angle pairs. Okay. Next, corresponding angles and alternate interior angles. Let's say these two lines L1 and L2 are parallel. Okay, they are parallel. This is how you use parallel sign. And a line L3 is intersecting these two lines. Now, these are the angles A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now, we know what are the vertically opposite angles. At one intersection, you get two pairs. So, first we'll write vertically opposite angle pairs. A and C are vertically opposite. B and D are vertically opposite. These two are done. E and F, E and G and F and H, right? E and G and F and H are two other vertically opposite angles. They are equal. Now, what is corresponding angle? Corresponding angle of A is equal to E. Okay. If you see, they are kind of on the similar sides. Okay, corresponding. So from vertically opposite angles, we can say A is equal to C and B is equal to D, these angles, and E is equal to G and F is equal to H. As per corresponding angle, we are saying that A is equal to E. So that means the other corresponding angle, since A is equal to C, C will be equal to G. Okay, so that is what we are saying here. Same, what is the corresponding angle for B? It has to be F. So B is equal to F and D is equal to H. So BDFH. This is another set of angles which are equal. So out of these 8 angles, 4 angles are equal and 2 pairs of such exists. So corresponding angle is clear: AE, BF, CG, DH. AE, BF, DH, CG. The last one is alternate interior angles. Interior, so let go of the exterior ones. Exterior is outer. Interior are C, D, E, F, right? But alternate are the C and E are alternate. D and F are alternate. You see, C is equal to E, right? And D is equal to F. Even all these pairs are equal. Whatever pairs are written here, all of them are equal. Okay, sometimes alternate interior angles, they might confuse you. If you look at it, this angle and this angle is C and E. In a Z, because these two are parallel, these two angles are equal. Right? Similarly, if we extend further, what we are saying, even these angles are equal. Okay. In higher level questions, they might give just the Z and not the complete figures. So extremely important: lines, angles, vertically opposite, corresponding, alternate interior angles. Like I said, there will be a lot of definitions. Make sure you write each and every one of them. The next set is supplementary and complementary angles. What is supplementary? Supplementary is if sum of two angles add up to 180 degrees. What is complementary? Sum of two add up to 90. So this you'll need to remember. Okay, if sum of two add up to 90 degrees and sum of add up to 180 degrees. That is supplementary. So we saw straight line, right, or straight angle. Now let's say if this is angle A and this is angle B, we can say that these two are supplementary because A plus B is 180 degrees. Straight angle is 180. Similarly, if we have a right angle and some line is there, and let's say if this is A and this is B, so what will be the sum of A and B over here? 90 degrees. So we can say they are complementary to each other. Okay, we'll solve one or two questions. So in this lecture, only these are the definitions for lines and angles I want you to know. In the given figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. Okay, AB and CD intersect at O. Okay, let's say give some points. If angle AOC, which is AOC, is this, and angle COB is this, is 4:11. So let's say this is X and this is Y. Okay, AOC and COB. Find the angle AOD. Okay, so we know that AOD and COB is same and these two are also same. Now, whenever ratio, so don't forget, when there's a ratio, what did I tell? Always assume the values. That is how I proceed. If x is to y is 4 is to 11, I would just take x is 4k and y is 11k. And we have just seen that x plus y, what is the relation that we can think? It's a straight line, straight angle. So this is where having idea about all the angles is so important. Whenever you see a straight line, remember the question most probably would be testing that, right? X plus y is equal to 180 degrees. So 4k plus 11k is 180. So 15k is 180. So divide by 15. K is 12. So what do we need? We need AOD, which is y, which is 11k. 11 times 12 or 132 degrees. Obtuse angle. Okay, the applications, you have to by heart all the formulas and then application will come. Okay, one last question. Find the value of theta. So pause the video, see what are all the vertically opposite pairs. Okay, now I can see these two are straight lines and this is a straight line. There are three set of straight lines and this is not a straight line. This is a ray or a line segment ray, let's say. Okay. So what I can say is opposite to this is also theta. Okay. Now this line and this line are these two lines. So their angle is how much? Or we need not even go there. You found a straight angle, right? This is a straight angle. And we have all the other three. So I can just apply the straight angle property, that 20 degrees plus 35 degrees plus theta plus 70 degrees is equal to 180. Earlier I was trying to apply this, but it doesn't matter. You have one straight line. This is 55 plus theta plus 70 is 180. This plus this is 125. Theta is 180 minus 125, which is 55 degrees. Yeah, I hope my calculations are correct. So yeah, so this is how lines and angles questions can be asked. These are the basics, and we'll get into in depth when we go to the actual course. So that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.